Hey y'all, this is Jessica at Casa Magnolia, and today I am going to show you my Easter mantle. This video is a collaboration with Lindsey from Domer Home, and I am so excited to be working with her today. If you don't know who she is, I'm going to let her introduce herself now.
Hey guys, it's Lindsey from Domer Home, and today I'm really excited to be working with Jessica as we create 2 Decorate With Me mantle videos. So you will not only get 1, but 2 Decorate With Me videos for spring. And you can see a little sneak peek of my mantle behind me here. So when you are done watching Jessica's video, I would absolutely be honored if you would stop by my channel at Domer Home and check out my mantle video. I also do a lot of DIY videos and home decor videos. So I will see you as soon as you guys are done with Jessica's video. Bye!
I started with this tulip bud vase that I had gotten at Trader Joe's a couple years ago to make a faux cloche. It's housing all of these robin's egg blue and cream and green eggs that I bought at Michael's on sale. I'm going to use this Target clearance candlestick holder to be the base of the cloche. And it didn't fit well when I had it right side up, so I'm actually going to use the bottom side, which is not a big deal because the eggs will fall to the bottom and cover it up, and it's so high up on the mantle that you're not going to see those stickers and labels anyway. I love how this side turned out. I love the blues and greens, and I think the cabbage is so fresh and different than just having other types of floral around. The other side of the mantle still sticks with my robin's eggs blue, creams, and springy greens with a little moss bunny from TJ Maxx, a printable that I found online a couple years ago in a TJ Maxx frame. Part of my cross collection sits atop this blue and white Goodwill find that I think is perfect to put this little robin's egg in. That's actually a napkin holder, and it sits perfectly in there with some plastic grass from Hobby Lobby. The carrots for my garland are a set of 12 from Michael's, and they were $9.99 but 40% off, which I didn't think was that bad of a deal. I'm using this nylon string to tie them together. You could also use twine or raffia or some clear fishing line. These are super long needles. They're called decorator's needles. I'm actually using the shortest one to be able to go through the carrot. I started by putting the needle where I wanted it in the carrot, but then I had to kind of lay it down and work its way down going on a flat surface because it was a little bit hard to get through. So just be careful doing this. After I had them all strung up, I used a little bit of washi tape hidden under the cabbage and under the book on the other side to keep it secure to the mantle. I ended up only using 8 because that just was enough for my look that I was going for, and the weight was evenly distributed. If you want, you can also add some super glue on either side of each carrot just to keep it in place so they don't all kind of fall. And that's my Easter mantle. I had so much fun putting this together and working with Lindsey to figure out what we were going to do. After you finish watching this video, I hope you'll head over to her channel to check out her Easter mantle, and don't forget to leave her a comment telling her I sent you. I hope you have a great spring, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.